Hello. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can be productive and do your work by just spending limited time of your day rather than spending long hours and working tirelessly all day and without and you are not getting any result. If you follow this routine, so definitely you will achieve whatever goals you set for yourself in the beginning of this year. So let's start it. So for to achieve anything in your life, it's really important that you should know your how you spending your time on daily basis and how you can productively do your work on daily basis. So you will able to achieve anything in your life. Either you want to achieve a very good job and want to get a very good job. So if you follow this routine and you spend your time productively, and it's all about your daily routine or how much you discipline with yourself and how what you are eating on daily basis, what's your diet is, and what you are doing in your daily basis. So let's start it. It's not just a one day game. You have to follow this routine for some time, at least in my opinion. If you are able to follow this routine for at least 3 months, so you will definitely will be able to achieve anything in your life. So let's start it. So first, let's talk about when you start your day, what you have to do. First, when you start your day, so it's really important that you should start your day with some kind of exercise. It doesn't mean that you just wake up and start working and turn on your laptop and just start working on it. No, it's not quite like that. If you are doing this, to just stop doing this and just follow this routine. First thing is you have to do is to do your exercise. How you can do it? Go into the nature and just go to the gym and do some, just follow some routine and do some exercise. Make keep your body into your in shape and just do the exercise. So what happen is that it's not only just help you out in building your body or making you fresh, but it's also help you to be fresh and help you to so you can be able to work in a positive way or a fresh way. So your mental health will be very good if you do the exercise on daily basis. So after doing, make sure that you do the exercise at least for 30 minutes daily, first thing in the morning. And after that, what you have to do, you have to do the breakfast, and you have to do a very good breakfast. It doesn't mean that just you just buy some kind of biscuits and just start eating it. No, it just crap. No, what you have to do is you have to eat proper meal. You have to make sure that you are taking proper protein in your meal. Just eat eggs, eat oatmeals, eat, drink some juices in your breakfast. So it will definitely give you nutrition in your body, and you will be able to focus and into your work productively. And then what you have to do is after finishing your breakfast, now take you can take 5 to 10 minutes break if you want. Then after that, what you have to do is before proper starting your work, you have to start reading a book. How you can do it? Just buy any book, or just if you have any book, either it's related to self development or it's a fictional book or whatever book you have and whatever interest you have, just read a book. At least read 10 to 15 pages on daily basis after finishing your breakfast. So it will really help you to understand the things about yourself, about the world, what's going around the world. If you are facing any kind of difficulty in your life, in your body or anywhere, so these readings help you out understanding yourself deeply. If you are interested in self development books, so read something on daily basis, so it will really help you out. And after, this is the most important thing, what you have to do before starting the work is to just dress nicely. Just you have to dress the way you just pretend that you are going, you have to go to the office for work or you have to meet someone. Just dress up nicely, really nicely, and keep up to date yourself. If your hair is getting long, just go and trim it out. And if your eyebrows is getting bigger and bigger day by day, then you have to go to the parlor and just go for eyebrows, and then just keep up to date, dress nicely, and just give go to in front of mirror and just see yourself and just say that I'm looking good today and nice. So it will really help you to make you feel confident within yourself. And when you feel good inside, from the inside, you will definitely able to do your work with full efficiency and with full confidence. And then you believe in yourself that I can do the things I want to achieve in your life. So for that, you have to follow these steps. So now after doing that, it's time to start the work. Now what you have to do, you are done with your exercise, you have done your breakfast, and you just change your dress as well. Now it's time to do the proper work. So but make sure that in this period of time you have to give proper 2 to 3 hours with full focus, and make sure that whatever you are doing with, and just make it, write it down in your copy that what task I want to do today. Just give 2 hours with full focus, and it doesn't mean that just when you start working just you are not allowed to take any kind of break. No, you can take a break of after you just work 24 to 25 minutes in first, and then take a break of 5 to 10 minutes and then come back and start working on 20, again 20 to 25 minutes, and you have to follow this routine till the day end of that specific day. And then what you have to do is make your calendar that I'm going to ensure schedule it everything for a week schedule, weekly schedule is good. And then what you have to do is just write it down everything whatever you want to do in that specific week and a specific hour, and what you want to do in the first hour of your work, and make sure do the hard things first, because when you start working on hard things then you will be able to, because your mind is extremely fresh in the morning, and you are just starting with the day. So whatever you do first thing in the morning, you will definitely do it with full focus and full attention. So it's really important that do the hard thing first, then slowly, then less hard tasks, and then less hard tasks, and then you will be able to do your tasks with full efficiency. And then what you have to do, then just don't burden yourself. If you are not able to find the solution of your problems and the specific tasks you are doing, just don't burden yourself. Just take a deep breath and just don't care. If you are not able to do it, then don't pressurize yourself. Go for a walk and just come back and then just start again doing it. Because if you take pressure on your mind and put pressure on your mind, trust me guys, you will not able to do anything in your work and whatever tasks you want to do at that day. So keep in mind your mind should be fresh. And then what you have to do, you work 2 hours after finishing breakfast and dress up nicely, and you just focus, do your work with full focus. Now it's time to do the lunch. It's really important, don't skip your meal, lunchtime meal. What you have to do is you have to take a nutrition again. So don't eat crap that just go to the order some kind of junk food and put it into your body. No, you are doing a terrible thing to your body. Eat proteins during daytime, and then you can eat pulses, you can eat salad, you can eat so many things. It's just up to you, but you have to be intentional what you are putting into your body. It's really important. And then what you have to do is because whatever you eat during lunchtime, it will make you energetic whole day. Because then if you eat or drink some kind of soft drink, it will definitely get you and make you anxious during work time, and you will not able to achieve and do your tasks during that day after lunchtime. So it's really important to, you should know what you are eating and what you are putting into your body. And then what you have to do is it's really important that whatever you want to do, so you have to prepare and do the preparation well before. You can do that preparation a night before as well, that I want to do this task first thing in the morning, and then second task I will do the second task this, and then third and fourth, and whatever. Then you have to prepare everything ahead of time. You don't need to just randomly pick your tasks the specific day and then you just start working on that day. No, it's not work like that. You have to be extremely committed and extremely discipline during the working hours, despite you are not working for someone, you are working towards achieving your goals. So it's really important to give proper time to yourself. And then what you have to do is self control. You have to be disciplined enough that you, if someone giving you some extra tasks during that time and distracting you from your work, so you should self aware of it, and then you should know that what you are feeling at that time, what's going on in your mind and heart and everything. If something bad happened to you, so you, how you are going to deal with this. Don't emotionally react on everything and just be emotional. You have to be, you should know how to deal with your emotions. So first you know that if you are feeling anxious, if you are feeling taking so much stress, whatever going on in your mind, before starting doing your work, start doing your work. What you have to do, you have to sort it out everything on your own, then start working on it. And then what you have to do, set some boundaries. If someone is continuously giving you unnecessary tasks and you just ignoring and just doing, say yes to everything, saying yes to everything, that no, I can do this, I can do that. No, it's not work like that. You have to set some boundaries and believe in yourself that if I say no to it, will not I'm not doing anything wrong. Because if you don't know how to say no to, you will face a lot of difficulty in your career. Because people start taking advantage of you and give you countless tasks to you too. So you at some point you will not be able to say no to them. So it's really important, set some boundaries. It doesn't mean that you start just fighting about that task. No, it's not work like that. What you have to do is say no politely and just say that I'm busy with my work currently, and definitely if I get some time, so definitely I will do it. I don't mind to do it, but right now my hands are full. If I don't complete your task on time, or this task what I am doing currently, so definitely it will not good for the client or the task you already giving me. So it's really important. So just discuss this with your manager or art director, so it will not make any kind of misunderstanding between you and your manager. So it's really important that set some boundaries and in a very polite way. You don't need to argue and just misbehave with others. So what you have to do is don't work long hours. It's important to just work on a limited time. It's really important, especially if you are working in an ad agency, or especially if you are working for your SO itself, or you are still want to achieve in a phase that you are working on your goal. So don't think that if I work countless hours and just work non-stop, so I will be able to achieve everything. No, it's not work like that. What you have to do is you have to do everything intentionally and make sure that whatever hours you are putting doing your work, so you do it with full efficiency, honesty, and with full discipline. So what happen is that you don't need to do and work in long hours, because it's useless. You just forcing yourself and dragging yourself and thinking that if I work in long hours, then I will able to achieve my goals. No, it's not like that, because your mind and body need relax, and you really need to care about this thing. And then what you have to do is do the journaling. Journaling is one of the most important thing I always encourage and always say into my videos, that do journaling. What you have to do after completing all the work, day work, and putting with discipline and full honesty, what you have to do is just write it down about everything, whatever you have done, and what you are feeling, and what you are in your career, and what you want to achieve in your life, how much you want to achieve, and what's your future plan. And write it down everything. Either if you are facing any difficulty in your personal matters, in your career, in your professional life, in your friendships, so just write it down each and everything, so you will be able to know how what's going on in your mind, and just keep in touch, and keep you should know that how you are reacting in every situation. So you have to be patient with yourself, especially, and don't bash yourself that you are the worst person in this on this planet earth. No, and don't expect anything to anyone. You are on your own during this time of. It doesn't mean that you just that no one is cares about you. No, everyone is there and everyone is available, but during this time you have to do everything on your own. If you are able to do this, trust me guys, take your own decision. Don't trust anyone, because you will able to take your decision. So you will start believing in yourself that I am confident person, I believe in myself, and I am blessed that almighty is giving me everything, whatever and whenever I ask for it. So just believe in yourself and take small decisions on daily basis. Either if you have to go buy something, a small stuff, just go. If you want to go alone and you don't have anyone to go with, just go alone to shopping mall or anywhere. Just buy some small things, so it will, you don't need to buy a very expensive thing. In just what you have to do, you are just making your decision making habit. Just do this take 2 to 3 small decision on daily basis, so you will be able to take your own decision. If when you have to take big decisions, so you will take those decision with full efficiency and full smartness at that time. So you have to be careful and make a habit of taking your own decisions. And then what you have to do is after that, is this is especially for salaried people, those who are earning. I know it's very difficult to save money and invest money in this time of inflation, or when everyone has to pay a huge amount into taxes. So what you have to do is just save some kind of money and invest into something, so it will return back into your future. It could be anything. If you want to buy invest in mutual fund, just invest it. Don't think that if I put my money into bank account, it will return back to you. No, it's just you just save into your money into your bank account. After some time, the amount will remain the same, and it's because inflation is getting getting higher day by day, and you will not be able to utilize that amount on your difficult time in future, if you face some kind of difficulty in your future. So it would be better that invest in something, so it will return back to you in your difficult time, or whenever you need it for your education, for your future investment. So it's really important to think about it and daily think that how can I invest in something, so I will be financially independent very soon. So it's really important. And then what you have to do, the most important thing, after completing all the tasks, everything with full efficiency, full honesty, having good meals in the afternoon and in the morning, now it's time to do some rest. And how you can do it, do cleansing and put off your makeup, and then just do all the take a bath and watch some light dramas on Netflix or anywhere, and whatever things you like, and just enjoy that time at the evening time with yourself. And it's really help, and do some kind of self-care and relax, and just get back to your night dress, and just enjoy your time at that time, and don't think about anything at that period of time, and just focus on your happiness at that time. Enjoy your time, and whatever things make you happy, just do that thing and just enjoy yourself. And and after that just go to sleep on time, because you have to wake up next day again and follow the same routine you just followed the same day. Now it's time to keep your mind relaxed and just enjoy the time and spend some time with your family and just discuss everything, talk about different things, how you can make future plans, go out for shopping and just enjoy your life. And then make yourself accountable. It's a very important thing. What mistake you made during the day or in past mistake, if you made some kind of blunder, if you make some kind of mistakes, if you hurt someone and someone is not happy with you, if you think that you did something wrong to someone, just don't hesitate and just message that person. And if you can go to that person, I know it's really unusual in this era, but if you are want to save that friendship or that relationship, go to that person and discuss about that and just try to just sorted out your issues, whatever you think you did wrong to that person. I know you really need some kind of guts to do that, but you have to do that if you are really honest with yourself and you think that you did something wrong to that person. So you have to do things. It doesn't mean that you are disrespecting yourself. No, it's not disrespect. If you just not listening to your ego at that time, you just listen to your heart and you think that you did something wrong to someone, then go and meet that person and just try to sort it out things between you and that person. So it's really important to just clear things out between you and that person. And then what you have to do is just cleaning everything, make your bed and just relax and just what you have to do, eat your favorite food and then do something and enjoy your life, watch something on Netflix. If you are able to follow this routine on daily basis, do the self-care and everything on daily basis and whatever, because achieving goals doesn't mean that you just work all day and don't enjoy your life during that period of time. No, it's not work like that. It's all about how much discipline you are with yourself. You have to believe in yourself and you have to be committed to yourself, because that's the time, your hardest time and your testing time. In your testing time, no one is with you, and you have to do everything on your own, because you have to do everything on your own. People will be with you, but this time you have to do everything on your own. So you have to control your emotions, don't overthink, stop overthinking and do the hardest thing first. And you have to do the things despite how much you sad and how much difficulty you are facing on your daily basis and you are not able to find any kind of solution, but you have to do it and always talk about the solution rather than problem, that I'm facing this, how I'm going to solve this problem, why everything bad happened to me. No, you have to think positive, that I achieved that thing in the past and I can do this thing again. So you have to just believe in yourself and just if you face the biggest setbacks of your life, so just believe in yourself and just tell yourself that I can again wake up and just get back to the field with full efficiency or more stronger this time. And keep and just discuss your issues or whatever you are facing at that time. Discuss with your most favorite person timely, and don't put pressure on yourself. You are important and you can achieve everything in your life. People are doing and achieving lot of things in their life just because of by following these kind of routine. So if they can do this, and don't think if someone rejects you and they think that you are not good enough, just don't care about that. You know your abilities, you know how much effort you have been putting into your work and how much honest you are with yourself. Just listen their opinion, respect their opinion, and don't it doesn't mean that you start fighting with that person. No, listen to them, respect them, and don't argue with them, and just ignore that thing, because your mission and your purpose is much bigger than arguing with that person. You know your abilities, you know your hard work, you know everything about yourself, and you know how much far you can go in your life. So just believe in yourself and respect them, and just let them say whatever they want to say, because you know your abilities and you have to achieve much bigger thing in your life, rather than just sit there and just think about that, what this person say this thing to me and I'm not gonna do, I can't do anything in my life. No, it's just a waste of time. Be disciplined, eat healthy, go to the exercise, give proper timing, do some rest, enjoy your life and do self-care on daily basis. So that's it for now. Hope you like this video. I will definitely make more videos like this in future. Thank you so much. Bye.